Introduction. CSS provides a structured way to style and format web pages. Inline CSS is a direct and straightforward method of CSS implementation. Understanding how and when to use it is essential for best practices. Understanding Inline CSS is applied directly to HTML elements using the style attribute. Each HTML element can have its own style attribute. Inline CSS allows applying unique style to a single specific element. Example, P style color blue, font size 20p. This is a paragraph. Here, text color is blue and font size is 20px. Pros and cons of Inline CSS. Pros: ease of use, simple to implement, doesn't require a separate CSS file, highest priority in CSS hierarchy. Cons: lacks scalability and reusability, can lead to code redundancy and maintenance issues, doesn't support media queries. Best practices for using Inline CSS: beneficial for quick testing or debugging, or styling a single element uniquely. For larger projects, it's better to use external or internal CSS. Common errors and how to avoid them. Error: forgetting to close the style declaration with a semicolon. Should always include semicolon to avoid potential problems. Error: not using the colon between the property and value in the style declaration. Always make sure to use the colon. Examples: correct, P style color blue, this is a paragraph. Incorrect, this is a paragraph. Conclusion: Inline CSS can be handy in certain situations, but understanding its limitations and potential pitfalls is essential. Always strive for clean, maintainable, and scalable code when designing and developing web projects.